So let's start the class. Okay, let's start today's class. In the last class, what we were discussing was we were talking about the kingdom fungi, right? Biological classification, as we have said before, we will be talking about three kingdoms in this chapter, that is Monera, Protista, and kingdom fungi, right? So fungi kotha pori asilu, and some of the basic points about fungi we have already discussed as to what is the plant body called as, what is mycelium, what is hyphae. What we remember, if you're talking about the plant body, we use a word called as mycelium, and a part of the mycelium is called as the hyphae. Hyphae, another information, it could be septate or it could be aseptate. If it is septate, তেতিয়াহলে nucleus কেইটা আছে, depending on that, either it would be monokaryotic or it would be dikaryotic. And if you're talking about aseptate hyphae, then the condition that we see is called as pseudocytic. These are the points that we have studied, right? Next is something about the septa that we have talked about. Septa to continuous with discontinuous.
Discontinuous.
It is discontinuous, right? Because we know that in the middle of the septa or in the central portion, there is a pore, and this pore could be a simple pore or it could be a doggy pore. What is the function of this pore? It helps in maintaining the cytoplasmic connection or continuity between the two cells, right? Our dolichopore word to ki koisile, the dolichopore septum or dolichopore septum is a specific characteristic of the class Basidiomycetes. We'll be talking about dolichopore in details little later. Right? Next is we have discussed certain words called as homothallic, heterothallic, right? Then eucarpic, right? So এইবিলাক words আমি discuss কৰিছো, and plus we have just started the part called as reproduction in fungi. When we talk about reproduction, what we say, both asexual and sexual types of reproduction is seen in case of fungi, right? Sexual reproduction is slightly different if you compare the sexual reproduction of fungi and that of the higher plants. Slight difference, but if you're talking about asexual reproduction, maximum reproduction or the most common method of reproduction is by the different types of spores that are formed. Another information about the spore that we have talked about is spore words related endogenously formed spore, exogenously formed spore, thin wall spore, thick wall spore. I think you remember.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So today we are going to start the class by with the part called asexual reproduction in details. We will see the kiman dhoroner spores birak fungi we can see depending on fungi to fungi, right? There are different types of spore formation. Some spores like oidea, some spores called as conidia, or maybe a sporangiospore or a chlamydospore, etc., etc. Right? So aji heading kora asexual reproduction in fungi. Right? Talking about asexual reproduction, কেনেকে হয় by different types of spores. And last class, do you remember we have talked about mitospore and meiospore?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? So if I am asked, if the question is asked like this, that the spores that are formed during asexual reproduction are an example of mitospores and meiospores.
Mitospores.
They are examples of mitospores because the trick to identify was, or the easier way to identify was, যদি স্পোৰটোৰ নাম কোনোবা এটা ক্লাছৰ লগত এছ'চিয়েটেড হৈ আছে, ফৰ এক্সাম্পল এস্পোস্পোৰ, ৰাইট? এস্পোমাইচিটিছৰ লগত এছ'চিয়েটেড, ঠিক তেনেকে বেচিডিঅস্পোৰ, বেচিডিঅমাইচিটিছৰ লগত এছ'চিয়েটেড. So those are considered as mitospores, way to recognize them, right? And rest of the spores are all mitospores. So obviously, asexual reproduction in fungi occurs by different types of spores, and these spores are called as the mitospores, right? And when we are talking about these different types, different types will be discussed, right? The first type of a spore that we see is a zoospore. And whenever we talk about a zoospore basic characteristic is that it is a motile spore, right? It can have flagella. Not necessarily this is the diagram. Beleg diagram ho hobo pare, right? It could be of two shapes. I'll draw it later. As of now, first point likha zoospore. Zoospore of ki likhiba? Flagellated ne non-flagellated?
Flagellated.
Flagellated.
It is a flagellated spore. Next, zoospores will have coat pump. They are formed inside zoosporangium. Right? These zoospores could be uniflagellate or biflagellate. Uniflagellate, see in case of one example, Synthytrium. And if you are talking about biflagellate it could be of two shapes. Biflagellate or example Saprolegnia. Or another could be Pythium. Right? Biflagellate aru eta point janibo lagibo. Right? Another information about biflagellate is if the zoospores are biflagellate, then they can be either pear-shaped. A pear-shaped karan is a word that is called as pyriform. And how would the diagram look like? Something like this. Or it could be kidney or bean-shaped. And diagram kidney ka hobo? And we have a term Is this part of the board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the information about the first type of a spore, that is called as a zoospore. Whenever we hear the word spore, generally spores non-motile, right? If we're talking about other spores, like maybe we are talking about sporangiosspore or chlamydospore. So spores normally non-motile. If they are using the word from the zoospore, obviously what we understand is the spore is animal-like, and whenever we talk about animal-like, we are concerned with the way of locomotion. So zoospores are the flagellated spores. Baki bilak spores ki hobo? Sorry, baki bilak spores ki hobo? Non-flagellated. Right? Next is either uniflagellate hobo, biflagellate hobo. We have certain examples. biflagellated hoy. Either you can see this shape or this shape. Next, we have a term called as diplanetism. Diplanetism means the phenomenon of having two types of juice spores is called as diplanetism, that is seen in case of fungi. Next, the second type of spore, a spore called as sporangiospore. Juice spores are formed within juice sporangia. Sporangiospores are formed within sporangia. लिखिए लो, explain. Juice spore के लिए लिखा होगा. Is this over? Okay. लिखिए लो. Itu menaruhkan di kontak di bawah itu. Okay. So the next type of spore is a sporangiospore. Sporangiospores will form in a sac or inside a sac, and this sac is called as what? Sporangium. The house of the sporangiospore, it is called as sporangium, right? This is the sporangium. Sporangiospore এটা spore sporangiospore বুলি কেতিয়া কবা when it will have a stalk-like structure, right? Or this stalk is called as a sporangiospore. PHORE. Forum মানে কি? We are talking about the stalk, right? So এটা এনেকুৱা structure যাৰ নেকি এটা stalk আছে, the spores are formed inside, and so this is the structure of a sporangiospore. Now talking about certain types of informations, now we have a word that is called as endogenously formed. Endogenously formed মানে question আহিব পাৰে sporangiospore বিলাক endogenously formed নে exogenously formed. So obviously it is endogenously formed. So what is the meaning of endogenously formed spores? Last class আমি discuss কৰিছিলো.
They are formed internally.
Yeah, it is formed within a structure, right? Spores বিলাক যদি কিবা এটা বস্তুৰ ভিতৰত form কৰে ন, তাক আমি কি বুলি কম? It is endogenously formed. Now another point regarding the information that we have written, can you identify whether this spore is formed during favorable condition or it is formed during unfavorable condition?
Favorable condition.
Favorable condition.
Favorable condition.
It is formed during favorable condition. And which point in this description tells us about it?
Thin
Thin
wall.
wall.
Thin wall.
It is thin wall, right? নহলে কি হব? Thick wall হলে it is during unfavorable condition that is formed, and it obviously contains reserved food. কিন্তু ইয়াতে thin wall. And the last point is non-motile. Zoospores কি আছিলে? Motile, and sporangiospores non-motile. Next, conidia. So this spore will also have a stalk, and that is called as conidiospore. They are exogenously formed. Thin-walled, non-motile. Seen in fungi-like penicillium. Sorry. Aspergillus, etc. Very important is the question ahiye thake. Talking about how it looks like.
Ma'am, conidia first point में क्या लिखी है?
Born on conidiophore. Okay. Is the marking distinct? Can you see it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Sometimes what happens is generally even complicated nahe, kintu ketiaba the diagram, especially in case of conidia, right? The diagram is needed and you are asked to mark the different parts of the diagram, right? Whatever you see, which one is the conidia. Then if you're talking about the portion where the conidia is formed, the entire portion is called as conidiophore. Conidia যোনবিলাক ষ্টকত থাকিব conidiophore হয় কিন্তু conidiophore আৰু কি হৈছে you have different parts, right? So these spores that are arranged in the form of a chain, those are called as conidia. These are the spores, right? Tahate, they are born on a part called the sterigmata, and sterigmata is flask shape. Right? Sterigmata is flask shape. তাৰ তলৰ যোনটো structure হয় তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? It is called as medulla, and ultimately we have this one as the rib. Next. If this is over, start writing this one.
Maybe terminal or intercalary হয় না ma'am?
Intercalary imposition, huh? The next type is chlamydospore. It is obviously formed during unfavorable condition. So that thick walled hopo. Next is they could be terminal or intercalary in position. Means what? যে এইটা যদি mycelium বা hyphae হয় no hyphae একদম টিপট form কৰিব পাৰিব or they can be formed in the middle portion of the hyphae also. যদি একদম টিপট form কৰে that position is called as terminal, and if it is formed in the middle of the hyphae then it is called as intercalary. One point to take into consideration is about the example. Example key this was from rhizopas. Olop agoteo rhizopas as an example. Kuntu type of spore distilo.
Sporangiosperm.
In case of sporangiosperm. Yeah. So what you need to remember first, when we are talking about lower organisms, no? Lower forms like lower plant type and lower organisms or more than one way of reproduction থাকিব পাৰে. These fungi can form more than one type of spores also for the process of asexual reproduction. So rhizopas is one example where we have written that rhizopas during favorable condition is asexual reproduction conduct and during unfavorable condition what is the type of spore that it forms. During favorable condition ki form kore sporangiospore, or during unfavorable condition they will form chlamydospore. So the common example. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. You have a spore called as oidea. So, 1 second, huh? Okay. So the next four is oidea. Right? And oidea. So oidea ki hoy thick walled non-motile. They generally develop during sugar-rich condition and high acidic condition. Right? Our oidea formation is one example. For example, yeast. Right? Yeast of ki hoy, the budding stage. We know yeast reproduced by means of budding, and the budding stage of yeast is called as torula. We just have a name for that. Okay. Next is, if you compare this diagram and this diagram, right? Common difference ase. Difference to key. Can you identify the difference between -4 and the oidea? Actually, the difference in the diagram. Diagram to if you can pinpoint.
In chlamydospore, the spores are sometimes formed in between the hyphae intercalary, but here the hyphae breaks from spores.
Very good. So in this case, what we have seen is the spores are formed within the hyphae itself, right? Hyphae per separate whole goal pellet, 100 spore form nokore. Either they will be here or they will be forming in the mid of the hyphae, right? You know, in case of oidea formation, what we see, a part of the hyphae breaks down and converts itself into a spore, and that is what is called as oidea, right? So these are the 5 different types of spores with which the fungi reproduces by asexual reproduction, and this is all about asexual reproduction. So as we have discussed, fungi में की देखा पाओ, asexual reproduction में देखा पाओ, sexual reproduction देखा पाओ, right? Talking about asexual, एकनी after information. If this is over, sexual reproduction heading करिबा. एकनी लोके किबा questions আছে लिखी. What is important? Examples are important, and the words where we have written exogenously formed, endogenously formed, thin walled or thick walled. Okay, 5 point consider kore. Is this part over?
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhere hole?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next heading kora sexual reproduction. Right? So as we have already said, sexual reproduction in case of fungi, and and if you are comparing that with the type of sexual reproduction seen in case of plants, we term as well one difference, right? So difference to key, as we keep writing, we will understand. So first point ki likha, sexual reproduction in fungi can be or it occurs through 3 stages. And what are the 3 stages? Plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Right? So sexual reproduction hobo lagile, ei tinita step hobo lagibo. It is only after the completion of these 3 steps we can say that sexual reproduction is completed over in case of fungi, right? Protective step is a must. Now, talking about the first one, no? Plasmogamy, karyotype, and meiosis. Often we discuss but let's put it in the form of a diagram. And when we draw the diagram, you will understand as to what is the difference that I was saying, right? Normal sexual reproduction or fungi sexual reproduction or difference to nuki. Diagram to silo, and maybe you can identify, right? Since we are talking about sexual reproduction, so obviously the first requirement is the two gametes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, এটা কি হয়? Gametes. Can you see this part of the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
চাৰিটা n দেখিছা ন? So this is the diagram for sexual reproduction in case of fungi. Now, can anyone tell me what is the unique point in case of this diagram?
From 2 and
Normal sexual
4 and
reproduction. I'm sorry, please repeat it.
ma'am, from 2 and gametes, it's from 4 and gametes separately.
From 2n, it forms
4 and differently.
4n means you're talking about these.
Yes, ma'am. Separately.
Okay, now actually I'm not getting you. Okay, what you want to say is this is a point that is different in case of fungi and in case of other plants. Is that the way you say? Or is that
Yes,
the statement that you are saying? Okay, in that case, normal plants যেটা sexual reproduction হয় কি হয় actually? দুটা gamete থাকে, দুটা gamete fuse করে like twice n হয়, twice n undergoes what? কি হবো? Twice n undergoes
2n.
meiosis.
This
Yeah,
is then from 2 different ends.
It forms two different. Please say. So try করাতে
Different
কোনো
ends.
problem নাই no? Two different ends, no? Or two different gametes. Actually, বস্তুটো নহয় তেনেকুৱা. I'll just give you a diagram. This is sexual reproduction in fungi. Okay, this diagram. And in normal cases, for example, in plants, if you say sexual reproduction হ'ব লাগিলে কি লাগিব? দুটা gamete লাগিব. Gamete কি কৰিব? Fuse কৰিব. Fuse কৰি কি form of this twice n structure is called as what?
Zygote.
Yes or no? Right? So if they fuse, they will also form what?
Zygote.
Zygote.
Zygote. So zygote will undergo mitosis, meiosis.
Mitosis.
Meiosis.
Meiosis.
They will undergo meiosis. Here also they will undergo meiosis. Right? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to this part first. Okay. এই যে চাৰিটা আঁকিলো এই বস্তুটো শুনা এই বস্তুটো it is the same. Why it is same? Any cell that will undergo meiosis will produce what? Daughter cells? Yes or no? এটা cell যদি cell division কৰে, cell division কৰিলে কি produce কৰে? daughter cells?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes? Okay. The next point is, if you're talking about cell division, we talk about two types of cell division. We talk about mitosis and we talk about meiosis. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
So in case of mitosis also, one parent cell will produce daughter cells. In case of meiosis also, one parent cell will produce daughter cells. The difference is, in case of mitosis, one parent cell will divide and form two daughter cells. In case of meiosis, one parent cell will divide and form four daughter cells. Why exactly is this scenario? We will talk about it in the chapter called as cell. ঠিক আছে cellot আমি details of পঢ়ি mitosis details of পঢ়ি meiosis details of পঢ়ি as of now talking about this step, this is a correct step কারণ এটা cell of meiosis যেতিয়া হয় meiosis এ কি কৰে সদায় চাৰিটা daughter cell produce কৰে so similarly in case of this also তাহলে কি কৰিব যে normal case ত এই cellটোৱে যদি suppose it has to undergo meiosis right so meiosis undergo কৰিলে সি কেইটা offspring form কৰিব চাৰিটা offspring form কৰিব first সেই concept টো clear কৰি লোৱা is the point clear any cell that undergoes meiosis will produce daughter cells how many number of daughter cells four clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
clear second point if a cell undergoes mitosis then the daughter cell will have exactly the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. If a cell undergoes mitosis, the daughter cell that are formed will have the same number of chromosomes that of its parent cell. Jedi parent cell to twice n hoy, tar offspring bilak ki hobo twice n e hobo. Kintu if a cell undergoes meiosis, the daughter cells will have half the number of chromosomes as compared to the parent cell. Jedi cell to twice n hoy, daughter cells of ki thakibo n thakibo. Ei concept khini clear kora. Mitosisত এটা সেলৰ পৰা দুটা সেল মিয়োসিসত এটা সেলৰ পৰা চাৰিটা সেল মাইটোসিসত daughter cell আৰু parent cellৰ chromosome number একে থাকিব if the parent cell is denoted by twice n the daughter cell will also be having a twice n condition but in case of meiosis if the parent cell is twice n then the daughter cell will have half the number of chromosomes that is they will have n যদি diploid cell হয় offspring to haploid হ'ব কিন্তু মাইটোসিসত যদি ডিপ্লয়েড হয় তেতিয়াহলে মাইটোটিক প্ৰডাক্ট কি হ'ব ডিপ্লয়েডে হ'ব এই কনসেপ্ট বিটা ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে নে নাই everyone
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone clear okay so if you are talking about this step no this is nothing unique ঠিক আছে so this is a step that is observed in all cases or in any cell that will undergo meiosis the point of differences so we are talking about sexual reproduction in case of plants and we are talking about sexual reproduction in case of fungi sexual reproduction hobo lagile first reproduction is formation and fusion of the gametes so in this case also the gametes are formed in this case also the gametes are formed clear in this case what is the next step gamete bilak form korile gamete bilak fuse koribo lagibo thik teneki yato gamete bilak form korile gamete bilak fuse koribo lagibo in case of plants or in case of sexual reproduction in higher plants when two gametes fuses product to keep out n into
Tripod.
n will always give you twice n right eta cell দিব etu eta gamete duita fuse koribole eta cell form koribo ei cell tur ploidy kiman hobo twice n because n into n will give you twice n and this cell would be called as a zygote clear
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay in case of fungi is the zygote formed during sexual reproduction fungi zygote form korise ne nai
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
we can see
Ma'am.
the diagram zygote is formed but what is the difference ইয়াতে directly zygote to form korise ইয়াতে kintu eta step intermediate ase clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I think it's well observed, right? So here in this case, what we are observing is n into n will directly give you a cell with twice n ploidy, but in this case we have n into n that does not fuse to form twice n. Instead, we have a cell with two different nuclei. A n gitai ki denote korise je duta belek nuclei ase. So asun bostu to buji paisa na nai. Let's see.
Ma'am, আৰু এবাৰ
What does
explain কৰিব।
explain কৰি দিম ন তুমি প্ৰথমতে কাম কৰা ডায়াগ্ৰাম কিটা কম্পেয়াৰ কৰা
Yes, ma'am.
ডায়াগ্ৰামটো কম্পেয়াৰ কৰাচোন প্ৰথমটো আৰু এইটো ডায়াগ্ৰামৰ ডিফাৰেন্স কি
Ma'am, first plasmogamy step to that দুটা n আছে আৰু second to directly zygote form হৈছে।
তাৰমানে ইয়াতে কি কৈছে জানা এইটো কেছত এইটো চোৱা গেমেট কি হয় কিবা সেল হয় নহয় এইটো এটা সেল হয় নহয়
Yes, ma'am.
This is a cell, this is a cell. Product form কৰি পেলাই কি form কৰিলে আৰু এটা cell form কৰিলে এই cellটোত chromosome number কি haploid এইটো cellৰ chromosome number কি haploid এইটো cellৰ diploid diploid কিয় কাৰণ দুটা set of chromosomes আছে তাৰমানে genetic material double আছে এইটো cellৰ genetic material single আছে এইটো cellৰ genetic material single আছে এইটো cellৰ double আছে double কিয় হৈছে কাৰণ এইটো আৰু এইটো fuse হৈছে না একেলগে
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? But in this case, there is a difference between twice n writing it like this and writing it like this. Eta cell A2 or eta cell A2. Duitar major difference ki. The difference is in this stage, no? N into N jetia fuse korile, jetia it is only the cytoplasm of this cell and the cytoplasm of this cell that has fused, but their nuclei did not fuse. So they have formed a cell with two nuclei, and this is what is called as dikaryon. Of reproduction, fungi sexual reproduction hobo lagile, hodai ki form koribo lagibo, dikaryon form koribo lagibo. Dikaryon mane ki দুটা সেলৰ সাইটোপ্লাজম কিনি ফিউজ কৰিছে কিন্তু দুইটা সেলৰ নিউক্লিয়াই কিটা ফিউজ নাই কৰা so এটা cell with two nuclei is called a dikaryon karyon means nucleus so this is a cell with two nuclei after this ki hol we have one cell where the nucleus has fused and this is what is called as synkaryon বুঝি পাইছাম নাই কিন্তু in case of this type of a reproduction in case of higher plants or in case of plants তাতে dikaryon stage to form নকৰে directly কি form কৰে zygote বা আমি যি কওঁ synkaryon we don't use the word synkaryon instead we use the word zygote actually zygote আৰু synkaryon একেটাই বস্তু right this is the word that is used in case of especially in case of fungi so one point of unique point within this and this is sexual reproduction normally case of ki hoy directly duta cell fuse kori belai eta cell form kore ei cell tu je form korile yate ki hoise etu cell aru etu cellor cytoplasm fuse korise etu cell aru etu size nucleus duta fuse korise he karone we get a condition like this kintu in case of fungi first step on ei duta cellor nuclei ketiao fuse nokore right so you have a cell with two distinct nuclei and this is what is called as dikaryon যদি form নকৰে তেতিয়া হলে sexual reproduction fungi complete নহয় so this is the unique point in case of fungi after dikaryon they will undergo a process called as karyogamy karyogamy কি হয় the product is synkaryon gametes আছে gametes will undergo a process called as plasmogamy that is the first step of sexual reproduction plasmogamy what we understand the fusion of the protoplasm of these two cells gamy mane fusion no so protoplasm of this cell protoplasm of this cell fuse together but the nuclei do not fuse plasmogamy hol gol plasmogamy hoar karone ki produce korile dikaryon after this stage they will undergo the second stage that is karyogamy karyo mane nucleus gamy mane fusion এই two stage of hai ki hobo duta nucleus fuse koribo and ultimately the third stage that is meiosis just see whether you have understood or not any point that you did not understand please ask
Ma'am.
everyone clear
Ma'am.
yeah please say
Sexual reproduction in fungi
meiosis to aba explain koribane like চাৰিটা এন্টাৰ আছে
এটা সেল সো মিওসিস পার্টটো ইয়াতে বেছি ইন্টারেস্ট নিদিবা কাৰণ মিওসিস আমি ডিটেইলছত পঢ়িব লাগিব চাৰিটা সেল কিহৰ কাৰণে ফৰ্ম কৰিলে we have to understand right এই গোটেই ডিটেইল প্ৰসেছটো আমি সেলত কৰিম এটা now just understand meiosis of যদি এটা সেল undergoes meiosis সেই সেলটোৱে অফস্প্ৰিং প্ৰডিউস কৰিব বা ডটাৰ সেল প্ৰডিউস কৰিব কেইটা ডটাৰ সেল প্ৰডিউস কৰিব চাৰিটা ডটাৰ সেল প্ৰডিউস কৰিব মিওসিস আগতে তোমালোকে পঢ়িছানে নাই mitosis meiosis ekini পঢ়িছা নাই if suppose if you have read meiosis no have you come across a term called as meiosis 1 and meiosis 2
no
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
no na yeah actually iman details tumalok etiahe lagibo right tenoloke okon mitosis or meiosis okoman concept janilei hoy gol কিন্তু after I mean at this stage no 11 onwards tar ami ki koribo lagibo so you have to know it in details and then we will say and we'll speak about the site cell kyo form korile enei to form nokore no that reason thakibo lagibo so let's talk about it at that time not now eta jodi moi meiosis bujabole arambho koru first you will not understand second it will be a waste of time as of now just understand if a cell undergoes meiosis how many daughter cells are formed 4 daughter cells second point if a cell undergoes meiosis the daughter cells will always have half the number of chromosomes clear
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
okay coming back to this as we were discussing sexual reproduction in fungi what I said is sexual reproduction in fungi is or gets completed in 3 stages first stage is plasmogamy hobo lagibo plasmogamy ki hoy protoplasm but if you say cytoplasm also they will fuse and they will form a cell the name of the cell is dikaryon second stage is karyogamy what happens the two nucleus of the dikaryon fuse together to form the product that is called as synkaryon and the third stage is the synkaryon will undergo meiosis and produce daughter cells clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
এতিয়া plasmogamy অকমান লিখা an interesting point about fungi is if the dikaryon is not formed তেতিয়া হলে sexual reproduction complete নহয় remember in last class we have used two words দুটা word use কৰিছিলো monokaryotic and dikaryotic মনত আছে নে
yes ma'am
right what was the meaning monokaryotic dikaryotic meaning কি?
Monokaryotic means one nucleus and dikaryotic means two nuclei.
For cell right so we were talking about septate and aseptate if it is septate no eta cell jodi beleg hoy ase that is what is called as septate eta cell jodi eta nuclei thake it is called as monokaryotic eta cell jodi duta nuclei thake it is called as dikaryotic aru jodi septa thake we have used the word called as xenocytic or multinucleated condition another point if you remember I have already spoken that fungi jodi sexual reproduction hobo lage ba meiospores যদি produce কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব যে it has to form a dikaryotic mycelium this is a statement understood if meiospores needs to be formed in fungi first meiospores কেতিয়া produce কৰিব যেতিয়া sexual reproduction হ'ব meiospores যদি form কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে mycelium ডাল সদায় কি হ'ব লাগিব dikaryotic হ'ব লাগিব clear any confusion regarding these terms monokaryotic dikaryon synkaryon এই terms বিলাক clear হৈছে নে নাই
ma'am hoise yes ma'am
everyone
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay so now we write certain points about plasmogamy is the first step of sexual reproduction right second point is in this stage the cytoplasm of the two gametes fuse together, but their nuclei do not fuse. So plasmogame কি হয়? নিউক্লিয়াস ফিউজ করে না সাইটোপ্লাজম ফিউজ করে? অকল সাইটোপ্লাজম খিনিহে ফিউজ কৰে। What is the product of plasmogamy? কি ফর্ম করে? Product কি নাম? What is the product of plasmogamy?
Dikaryon.
Dikaryon.
Very good. Very good. Binucleated stage called dikaryon. So these are the three steps of sexual reproduction. এটা লেখা হল এখানে?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What about this part?
Done, ma'am.
Written.
Yes, ma'am.
8th point we have already discussed, so all these are called as key. Meiospores. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have an idea. The sexual reproduction chemical hoy, right? So there has to be 3 steps, that is plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Now the next part that we have to talk is plasmogamy chemical hoy. How does plasmogamy occurs? Talking about fungi to fungi, it is different. Kisuman fungi plasmogamy one beleg or kisuman fungi beleg. So we'll be talking about the way in which plasmogamy occurs. Right? So heading poriba types of plasmogamy. What is plasmogamy? It is the first step of sexual reproduction. What is the product of plasmogamy? And dikaryon. Clear? Right? Talking about types of plasmogamy, Patlika, it occurs by in fungi, plasmogamy occurs by any of the following methods. And what are the following methods? Planogametic copulation, gametangial contact, gametangial copulation, spermatization, and 5 is somatogamy. Right? So talking about the first step of sexual reproduction, that is plasmogamy, depending on fungi to fungi, it differs, right? So plasmogamy dikaryon to keneke form koribo, right? Beleg method form kore. Right? So generally, if you are talking in terms of fungi like lower fungi and higher fungi, first you should always know that whenever we are talking about a group of plants or we are talking about a group of fungi, right? Fungi as a kingdom, or maybe we are talking about plant as a kingdom. Any group of plants, or if you're talking about fungi also, will be using 2 words, lower and higher. For example, আমি যদি bryophytes fully form, we have certain examples of lower bryophytes and we have certain examples of higher bryophytes. Similarly, fungi বুলি ক'লে, we have certain examples of lower fungi and we have certain examples of higher fungi. এটা বস্তু মনত ৰাখিবা, since we are talking or we are reading everything according to Whitaker's 5 kingdom concept, right? Our 5 kingdom concept of আৰু এটা বস্তু দেখাই যে অকমান evolution point টো দেখাই, right? So we had fungi পিছত next kingdom কি আছিলে? Plantae. No.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you're talking about Plantae, what we have? Algae, bryophytes, pterophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms.
Angiosperms.
Each and every group of plants will have lower and higher. Bryophytes are to ki thakibo lower bryophytes, higher bryophytes. Similarly, in all cases, lower bryophytes, higher bryophytes, right? So, one point that has to be taken into consideration in case of fungi also, ki thakibo lower fungi, higher fungi. Right? So, if you are talking from evolution point of view, this suppose we are talking about bryophytes maybe. Okay, bryophytes are kihot divide korise? One type called as lower bryophytes, some other examples called as higher bryophytes. These group of higher bryophytes will always have certain similarities with the lower group of pteridophytes. Similarly, these group of higher algae will also have certain similarities with this lower bryophytes. Is the point clear? তাৰমানে এই similarity to evolution to দেখাব লাগিব ন যে all of a sudden to angiosperms develop কৰা নাই ন gradually algae হৈছে তাৰপিছত bryophytes তাৰপিছত pteridophytes gradually it has evolved and finally we have the most highest plants that is called as angiosperms. So this is a concept that you should remember and this is going to help you during that chapter called as plant kingdom also. The next chapter যোনটো আমি কৰিম ন plant kingdom. So কি মনত ৰাখিব প্ৰত্যেকটো গ্ৰুপৰে কি থাকে lower forms থাকে আৰু higher forms থাকে. Clear? Similarly, protect group or jikunu eta example, if I ask, for example, if I ask you, give me an example of a bryophyte, what is the example that you will say?
Moss.
Okay, moss. Give me an example of a gymnosperm.
Mango.
Pine
Gymnosperm
trees.
jikunu
Pine
trees.
trees.
Very good. Give me an example of a pteridophyte.
Ferns.
Ferns. Now, okay, now listen to me. Very good. Your answers are correct. Listen to me. Bryophytes, or we are talking about pteridophytes, or maybe we are talking about gymnosperms. At that group, there are so many different types of plants. Now, why is it like this that we always remember just one or we remember the most commonly spoken about? Bryophytes, it is not like this that it only belongs or only moss belongs to bryophytes. There are so many other bryophytes. Gymnosperms, it is not only pine trees that belongs to this group of gymnosperms. There are so many others. Similarly, ferns are not the only plant type that belongs to pteridophytes. Right? Kintu, ami ki koru, je juntu sobotse besi advanced, that is the example that is commonly spoken about because advanced juntu hoy, tare number hodai besi hoy. If you are talking about bryophytes, there might be many bryophytes, but the most commonly available or commonly seen bryophyte is supposed to be the most advanced form, that is moss. Baki example bilak monot narakhi আমি directly কি কৰি থৈ দিও moss. Similarly, if I talk about fern as an example of pteridophyte, that statement itself tells us that within that group of pteridophytes, so what's the advanced group? Ferns. So আমি যোনটো এডভান্স হয় সেইটোৰে কমনলি আমি এক্সাম্পল টো কনসিডাৰ কৰো ঠিক তেনেকে জিমনোস্পাৰ্মছ সবতছে এডভান্স কি Pinus family, Pinus cycas. So Pinus advanced, so we talk about Pinus. Is the point clear? Or maybe we talk about Nisam. Nisam baru iman available নহয় কারণ number has always been reduced in case of gymnosperms. Iman basically available নহয়. The point I want to say is each and every group will have what lower forms and higher forms. Why I am saying this statement is because of this one. In case of fungi, no, as I said, plasmogamy will have or will occur in different ways. You have to remember as to kuntu fungi, kuntu type of plasmogamy occur korise. Now it is not possible to remember each and every example of fungi. The best way to know is lower fungi কি হয়, higher fungi কি হয়. Now, can you give me an example of a fungi? যিকোনো fungi এটা example কোৱা. The most commonly seen fungi. The most commonly seen fungi. Fungi বুলি ক'লে just I'm not talking about maybe a student or maybe right কারণ আমি already কৰি আছো কোনোবা এটা name ন যদি কওঁ fungi example এটা দিয়া কি example দিব
Mushroom.
Rhizopus.
Mushroom.
Yes, why mushroom? Because of that explanation that I have given. It's an example of advanced fungi. Advanced. Basidiomycetes is the highest class of fungi. Remember? So yate ki hobo, what you need to remember, lower fungi ki dekhabo aru higher fungi ki dekhabo. Higher fungi boli kole generally we consider Basidiomycetes as the highest. Next to Basidiomycetes is Ascomycetes. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the 5 types. Out of these 5 types, now we are going to write about each and every type. Okay? Kintu kungita point important, moi simultaneously mark for exam, and that is something that you will study. So first, likhib up endogamic population. Not very important. ঠিক আছে প্ল্যানোগ্যামেটিক পপুলেশনৰ পৰা এনেকে কোৱেশ্চন একো অহা নাই not important বুলি চাইডত লিখি থৈ দিবা It is just a normal type. Duta gamete thakibo, duita gamete fuse koribo, that is the process in which the cytoplasm will fuse koribo, the nucleus will fuse. The most easiest way is endogamic copulation. Nothing to explain. Kiba line buji poa nai niki? Just go through the lines whether you have understood or not. Any questions? There are no questions. So in case of certain fungi like Syncytium, Aromyces, etc., plasmogamy can be by plenogamic copulation. So this was the first method. Second ki likhisilu ami gametangial contact and third was gametangial copulation. Contact and copulation all of pisot korim will come to the fourth one. Okay? So this was the first one. And second hisabe fourth to likhim ha ami jeto kotha likhisilu fourth ki likhisilu Spermatization. Spermatization of a question ahe. Ki question ahe mo koi dim. Can I rub this part?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Likhi lua first. In this type or in this process, minute spores called spermatia are formed, right? What form koribo hetu likhi diu are formed on spermatophore. We are using the word phore again. So whenever we use the word phore, we understand we are talking about a stalk-like structure. That is what is called as a phore, right? So spermatization of ki hoy fungal body to the hyphae bilakot ki thakibo kisman spores already produced hobo. Ei spores bilakot ki buli kom ami spermatia. Next, এই spores বিলাক এডাল মাইসেলিয়ামৰ পৰা আনটো মাইসেলিয়ামলৈ কোনোবাই ক্যাৰি কৰিব right? So spermatization is a process through which in certain types of fungi plasmogamy occurs. So during this process, কি হ'ব লাগিব? Plasmogamy এটা condition য'ত নেকি এডাল myceliumত এটা specific cell form কৰিব লাগিব আৰু সেই cellটোত দুটা nuclei থাকিব লাগিব. So in other words, what we are saying is in one mycelium they should form a dikaryon, right? So who helps in forming the dikaryon in case by this method is certain spores called as spermatia. So if I draw the diagram, it will become more clear. Eta fungi থাকিব, fungi কি হ'ব, কিছুমান spores develop কৰিব, spermatia. This spermatia will be carried from one fungi to the other fungi, or maybe from one mycelium to the other mycelium. কেনেকে carry কৰিব বা কোনে carry কৰিব? Obviously through agencies like air, water, and insect. Now, don't you think this point feels or sounds something like pollination? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In case of plants, I think we have heard the word called as pollination. Pollination or ki hoy? Self-pollination, cross-pollination. Let's not go into all those details now. Pollination or ki hoy? Pollen grains are transferred from one plant to the stigma of the other plant. Transfer to the agencies, no? Agencies could be air pollination, water pollination, insect pollination, bat pollination, etc. etc. So as of now, let's not go into this. We are talking about a lower group that is called as fungi. As compared to plants, fungi will like obviously they would be considered as lower forms, right? So lower forms of kisuman fungi, spermatia bilak, but spore-like structures bilak. Edal fungi pra andal fungi le ki korise in a way similar to pollination. So if this is a process that is observed in this type of a fungi, which type of fungi are we talking about? Lower fungi or higher fungi?
Higher fungi.
It will be a characteristic of lower fungi and higher fungi. Jadi enuka eta condition dekha paisu no, edal fungi ase, fungi to ami enuka condition dekha paisu. So that fungi could be identified as a lower fungi or higher fungi.
Higher fungi.
It will be always considered as a higher fungi. So certain higher fungi, right, undergoes plasmogamy by spermatization. So yet a question ahe that commonly so higher fungi will equally obviously we are talking about nothing but bacteria. Here and basidiomycetes are বহুত example lagibo pare. One example could be Puccinia. And Puccinia is also called as rust fungi. এই নামবিলাক মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব দেই। So fungi কেইটামান class আছে হা, Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, আৰু এটা class আছে Deuteromycetes. So what's the highest fungi কি হয়? Basidiomycetes. আৰু সবতছে commonly spoken about example is mushroom. So now can you have an idea as to mushroom belongs to which class of fungi?
Basidiomycetes.
It belongs to Basidiomycetes. So কিছুমান examples আমি yes please say. Was there anyone who was asking me a question? No, na? Kunu kuda na no question. It sounded as if someone is asking me something. Okay, anyway, forget. So we were talking about mushroom or agaricus. Agaricus or mushroom belongs to Basidiomycetes. So kisuman examples ami pori goi thakim. Okay, coming to this in the form of a diagram. So we see a mycelium. Normal mycelium bilakot ami ki kortilo se Basidiomycetes or monokaryotic hobo pare, dikaryotic hobo pare. So in this mycelium, certain spores called spermatia will be formed, right? A spermatia bilak ki koribo with the help of agencies, no? It will reach the other mycelium. Is the point clear? এইবিলাক কি হয় spermatia কি কৰিছে carry কৰিছে member of agencies and ultimately it has reached the other mycelia. Next কি হ'ব? This cell will fuse with this cell and ultimately what you will see is see the diagram properly, okay? And just see whether you have understood or not. So diagram to বুজি পাইছা নে নাই? What we are talking about is how does plasmogamy occur? What is plasmogamy? The first step of sexual reproduction. Another statement that we have said is until and unless plasmogamy occurs, sexual reproduction will not be complete in case of fungi. What is the product of plasmogamy? A cell called as a dikaryon. So in certain types of fungi, dikaryon keneke form kore by this method or by the formation of spermatia, and this process is called as fertilization. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
এতিয়া question কি আহে from entrance point of view question আহিব পাৰে যে basidiomycetes plasmogamy keneke hoy ba just vice versa. Spermatization is a process that is the characteristic of dash class of fungi.
Basidiomycetes.
Basidiomycetes. Clear? So this was all about spermatization. Next. Another method that is called as gamy. কিছুমান fungi dikaryon keneke form kore by a process called as somatogamy. Now from the term itself, I think you have an idea যে আমি কিহৰ কথা পাতিম. We are talking about a process called as somatogamy. Gamy মানে কি? Fusion. And somato has come from the word somatic cells. Have you heard the two words called as somatic cells and gametic cells?
Yes, ma'am.
Somatic cells.
Yes. Somatic cells are also called as কি বুলি কয়? Body cells. Yes or no? Somatic cells are also called as body cells. So somatogamy tamane yate ki hobo dudal fungi thakibo fungi edal fungi body this body will fuse together to form a dikaryon tamane yare edal cell yare eta cell eta fuse kori belai ki form koribo dikaryon yate ki hoisile spores form korisile spores bilak belegole goi pelai dikaryon form korisile. In this case again with the help of diagram we'll say first let's write it down. So direct fusion of hyphal cells. Hyphal cells mean cells of the hyphae to form a dikaryon because we know plasmogamy ki form koribo lagibo dikaryon form koribo lagibo. This is a process that is seen mostly in case of higher fungi. So again basidiomycetes kisuman basidiomycetes BC somatogamy. spermatization তাতো example কি আছিলে basidiomycetes somatogamy example কি basidiomycetes but you have to be specific now as to which example precisely we are talking about basidiomycetes দুটা বিৰাট বেছি important example এটা হল Pachydia আৰু এটা হল agaricus তাৰমানে the common mushroom right in case of mushroom plasmogamy কেনেকে হয় like somatogamy in case of Pachydia plasmogamy কেনেকে হয় by means of spermatization is the point clear so example to important বুলি লিখি থবা and if you're talking about the diagram we have two mycelium দুইটা myceliumৰ মাজত এটা conjugation tube form কৰিব body cells will fuse look into the diagram properly দুইটাৰ মাজত difference টো ধৰিব পাৰিছা নে নাই
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
both spermatization and somatogamy are seen in higher enzyme that is basidiomycetes group is it over
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay so from these parts plasmogamy keneke hoy the types of plasmogamy maximum question has been asked from the somatogamy and spermatization now we'll be talking about something called as gametangial contact and gametangial copulation gametangial contact or copulation we are not going to write it in sentence instead diagrammatically I mean we'll understand okay we have two types gametangial contact or gametangial copulation first come into the meaning of contact and copulation what is the difference contact or copulation দুইটাৰ difference আছে নে নাই
আছে
what is the difference you have two objects they will come in contact with each other even after coming in contact with each other you can see both of the things together separately right suppose this one and this one they will come in contact হোৱাৰ পিছতো individual gita tumi dekha paba that is what is called as contact what is copulation you have two objects they will copulate with each other ultimately they will fuse together to form a new structure in after copulation original individual kita dekha nupua are you understanding this is a simple way to understand contact and copulation contact of ki hoy they do not fuse with each other copulation of ki hoy direct organism ka fuse hoy jay clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, a word called as gametangial. Gametangial has come from the word gametangium, right? এটা word পৰা আহিছে. Gametangium. Gametangium কি বস্তু? What is gametangium? Heard the word called as এইটো word শুনিছা নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is sporangium? কি হয়?
The spore formed.
The spores formed.
House of sporangiospores.
How? Yeah. Simple. Right? If this is what is called as house of spores, it can be formed.
House of gametes.
House of gametes.
Very good. Very good. Understand, no? So, Giam Thakile, we are always talking about the house. Correct? Okay. So, we have a word called as gametangial contact and we have a word called as gametangial copulation. Let's talk about contact first. Gametangial has come from the word gametangial or the house of gametes. When we talk about gametes, we talk about two types of gametes, a male gamete and a female gamete. So, male gamete to eta ghorat thakibo, female gamete to eta ghorat thakibo, and you have two terms for that. Yes or no? Correct? যেহেতু sexual reproduction হ'ব লাগিব তো male gamete female gamete থাকিবই লাগিব so male gamete থাকা ঘৰটোৰ নাম কি male gametes are formed inside a structure and that structure is called as কাবাৰ plant kingdom হৈছে নেকি আপুনি পঢ়িছা plant kingdom chapter 2
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
স্কুলত কৰোৱা নাই ন plant kingdom কাকো
No, ma'am.
Time, ma'am. Kurmane.
Okay, Antheridium or Archegonium, it is a word শুনিছা নেকি আগতে Antheridium or Archegonium নাই শুনা ন right so we are going to talk about this in the plant kingdom as of now Antheridium male gametes jot form kore their structure is called as Antheridium Archegonium ki hoy female gamete jot produce kore tak ami ki boli ko that house is called as Archegonium right so male gametes are formed inside the Antheridium female gametes are formed inside the Archegonium this is a common concept that we are going to study during the chapter called the plant kingdom so normally plants bilakot ami ki dekha pao Antheridium aru Archegonium dekha pao tato eta difference ase so if you are talking about all the plants all the groups of plants does not have Archegonium. For example, if you're talking about Angiosperm for the highest type of plant or Archegonium nathake. Thik teneke if you're talking about the lowest type of plant that is algae to Archegonium nathake. It is only from bryophytes that Archegonia or that structure could be identified or observed, right? So ami ki hob kotha koiso suppose we are talking about algae what I said Antheridium present Archegonium absent ঠিক আছে so algae agote ki asile fungi so in fungi also Antheridium present Archegonium absent is the point clear
Yes.
if you are talking
Yes,
about
ma'am.
sexual reproduction you have to talk about the two type of gametes that is the male gamete and the female gamete so male gametes kiba ta structure bhitor thakibo someone will form the male gamete and someone will form the female gamete that house, that someone is called as Antheridium, right? Inside the Antheridium, what you will find is the male gamete. Inside the Archegonium, what you will find is the female gamete. But this is a statement that is relevant for the highest or the higher forms only. But in lower forms, what you can say is certain case of Archegonium dekha nopua, right? So in case of fungi, when I am talking about gametangium, so obviously male gamete to kot thakibo এন্ট্রিডিয়ামত থাকিব কিন্তু ফিমেল আৰ্কিগনিয়াম থাকিব জানো এলগিতে আৰ্কিগনিয়াম নাই তাতে আগতে পোৱা প্লেন্টস বিলাকত জানো আৰ্কিগনিয়াম থাকিব নাথাকে so instead the female sex organ would be called as is the point understood
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
clear right so gametangium contact hobo etu aru etu contact hobo নহলে etu aru etu population hobo কিছুমান fungi কি হয় anthridium aru oogonium contact ত আহে আৰু কিছুমান fungi কি হয় anthridium aru oogonium fuse কৰি যায় here
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so I think the word gametangium is clear no next time gametangium বুলি কলে we will have an idea that we are talking about what we are talking about the house so now let's talk about gametangial contact in a diagrammatic form and we'll understand so gametangial contact লাগিলে কি হ'ব so gametangial contact কি হ'ব the male sex organ and the female sex organ will come in contact male sex organ anthridium female sex organ oogonium what form কৰিব obviously in the mycelium yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
so we will have two mycelium right suppose this is one mycelium and or we have at a number in case of gametangial contact we have the same mycelium that has two hyphae etu eta hyphae etu eta hyphae right so gametangial contact ক'ত হয় adult plant bodied hoy you have the word called as same mycelium right adult mycelium right you have two hyphae maybe this is the hyphae and this is the hyphae in this hyphae male sex organ to form koribo in this hyphae female sex organ to form koribo mycelium keida same mycelium is the concept clear
Yes, ma'am.
right but in gametangial population we will be talking about two different mycelium mane dudal beleg fungi duta sex organ populate koribo yate ekedal gosore duta organ contact kore right so this is the first step second step edal hyphae so in this hyphae কি form korile anthridium to form korile ঠিক আছে and in this hyphae oogonium to form korile in the third step can you see this diagram properly yate ki hoise anthridium oogonium separate yate ki hoise this anthridium and this oogonium ki hoise eta connecting link form korise no clear no diagram what you will see is after the contact has been made, the antheridium লাহেকে নাইকিয়া হৈ যাব আৰু উপনিয়মটোত এইটো এটা cell আছিলে এইটো এটা cell আছিলে this nuclei and this nuclei এইটো কি হয় nuclei এইটো কি হয় nuclei first step of sexual reproduction কি হ'ব plasmogamy right plasmogamy হৈ পেলাই তাতে কি ফৰ্ম কৰিব এটা ডাইক্যাৰিয়ন next after plasmogamy next step ki karyogamy মই যোনখিনি portion লিখি আছো দেখা পাইছা নে এইখিনি diploid nucleus can you see the word
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
this diploid nucleus is called as stem carrier right so after this step this part right the diploid nucleus will form or will take the or will act as an individual cell the cell having this diploid nucleus now would be considered as oospore right so এই বস্তুটো এটা cell হিচাপে যদি আমি কনসিডাৰ কৰো তাক কি বুলি কম oospore oospore কি হ'ব will undergo the third step meiosis and ultimately meiosis undergo কৰি পেলাই what they will form is zoospores and zoospores কি form কৰিব a new fungi mycelium just see whether it is understood or not this is the way in which gametangial contact takes place gametangial contact starts or occurs in the same mycelium no এইটো part দেখা পাইছো
Yes, ma'am.
can you see this part yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay C needs some lower forms for like albugo Pythium. আৰু এইবিলাক কোনটো ক্লাছত বিলং কৰিব স্পৰটোৰ নাম কি স্পৰ তো ক্লাছ কি হ'ব oh my cities right so since we are talking about contact so obviously they will not fuse right so I think this is all for today right in the next class we are going to talk about the next type that is the last type in which we will see how plasmogamy takes place that is gametangial copulation so the next class gametangial copulation will heading kora complete this diagram and that's all for today thank you doubts asal neki kiba okay then thank you
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, welcome
Thank you.